Welcome to Clever Mum, where we dive into the rich world of flavours, kitchen discoveries and food traditions. Let's explore history and creativity hand in hand. What if your family meals could connect you with history? Picture bread baked with ancient Egyptian yeast or sipping a spicy Aztec hot chocolate. With AI technology, these recipes are no longer just stories from the past. They're tools to create rich, tasty connections to our ancestors. And trust me, these moments aren't just about food, but about how we bridge the centuries. How does AI make such magical discoveries in the kitchen possible? It pieces together traces from ancient recipes, studies seeds and pottery residues, and uncovers traditions lost to time. Imagine eating a slice of bread made from revived Egyptian yeast, or reimagining chocolate once savoured by Aztec warriors. Not just for taste, but also for its symbolism of power and rituals. These revived creations offer more than nourishment. They bring centuries-old stories into your hands. I love thinking about what meals meant to families back then because it feels like tasting little pieces of their strength and ingenuity. History, turned into edible memories, helps us connect on the deepest, most flavorful level. AI works wonders like a modern detective of flavors. It pulls details from sources that seem unrelated. Ancient poems about royal feasts, seeds preserved in pottery shards, or even the remains of cooking fire pits. Let me tell you about a favorite example. Yeast extracted from Egyptian pottery to recreate a beer enjoyed along the Nile millennia ago. Imagine noodles described in old Chinese scripts now part of your kids' dinners. These aren't your typical recipes. These are whispers of love, adaptation, and discovery from history itself. Just think, every time you bite into these creations, it's like borrowing resilience, creativity, and the heritage of those who lived before us. Isn't that magic for your kitchen? By cooking with these ancient traditions, we're not only exploring history, but we're also giving a voice to people who lived long before us. In a way, carrying their stories forward through the language of flavors. Why uncover ancient recipes? Because it goes beyond nostalgia. These recipes show us the ingenuity and survival skills of humanity. Foods like cacao atl, Aztec hot chocolate, are touch points for history, economics, and culture all at once. It was currency, comfort, and sacred in rituals. Recipes like medieval bread reflect resilience in times of famine and scarcity. What AI does is breathe life into this history and make it relevant for the modern kitchen. For example, integrating Aztec chili or gluten-free twists using historical grains isn't just trendy. It's cultural storytelling you can taste and share. My favourite part? These stories don't just stay in libraries or museums, but become vibrant parts of our everyday meals. They slow us down, encourage us to reflect, and of course offer lessons in flavour combinations we might have missed otherwise. Cooking ancient-inspired dishes with your kids or weekly dinners becomes a delicious way to appreciate how much we've inherited from those before us, while keeping an eye on preserving future traditions. One of the deepest reasons I love connecting with ancient flavours is their surprising relevance to the future. With AI-driven discoveries, we're not just uncovering old traditions. We're learning lessons in sustainability and resilience that couldn't be more timely. Did you know many ancient grains, like sorghum or millet, thrive in dry conditions, require minimal pesticides, and yield nutritious meals perfect for families? Talk about clever! Bringing these back isn't just cool, it's vital. Imagine personalizing your family's diet based on food your ancestors thrived on. Beyond ingredients, AI also invites collaboration. Researchers, chefs, and home cooks can experiment with revived wines from centuries-old vineyards or fermented beverages treasured across cultures. Ancient flavor projects become new tech, and sustainability projects alike. It's always worth remembering that food connects us to values, creativity, simplicity, adaptation. See, these revived culinary histories are more than trivia. They teach us how food unites across generations and geographies, becoming a global language. I say the more we uncover and cook, the stronger those connections become. Rediscovering ancient recipes isn't just an academic pursuit, it's an empowering experience for your kitchen. I love thinking about how the everyday ingredients we use, black pepper for instance, once sparked voyages and empires. That spice on your counter has journeyed through history into your hands. Same with techniques like fermentation or grinding grain, now refined with technology yet still rooted in tradition. When you cook black medieval bread or try Aztec-style spicy chocolate for dessert tonight, you're blending resilience with artistry. Exploring these connections reframes cooking as both a playful activity and a deep cultural act. What's beautiful is when your children jump in, learning not only cooking skills, but how every meal carries a lineage of dreams, struggles, and joys. Transform those moments into new traditions, and remember, every dish you make today has the potential to inspire meals hundreds of years into the future. Thank you for joining me on this flavorful journey through history with AI. If you enjoyed today's adventure, be sure to subscribe to Clever Mum for more recipes, stories, and memories served fresh every week. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our next exploration. And don't forget to leave a comment about what ancient recipe you're excited to try. Together, let's keep bringing history to life, one dish at a time.